watching Disney XD. I'll get iPhone 8 Plus for Christmas. Mario's bird. Hi everyone, welcome to the clubhouse. Ding dong, ding dong, da da, da ding 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 dong. Huh? Who's at the door? Let me go answer it. It's our pal Mario. Hi, I'm Mario. Hi, awesome sir. It's Cole. Oh, I mean, hi, Cole. What's that? A hat with the bonbon. That's not a hat, Mario. It's a nest. A nest? Correct. Oh, and what's that? Next. And, hey. It's got a crack open. Tweet, tweet. Oh, he's so cute. That's nice. What do you want to name him? Baby Red Bird. Baby Red Bird. It looks like he missed his mama. Oh, and his papa too. We need to find his family. The forest. The forest. Correct. Come on. Will you help us? You will? Great. Come on, let's get some caulking tools to the caulking door. Caulking hey, caulking high, caulking ho. Caulking ready, caulking set. Here we go. You're thinking it's all work and blue work. Caulking me, caulking you, caulking doer. Caulking me, caulking you, caulking doer. Caulkers, it's time to get to it. Show some caulking tools to help us do it. Kuska, caulking doer. Caulking tools, caulking tools, caulking tools. We got poke stick, a blanket. Ooh, that's soft. Blueberries. Ooh. And finally the mystery caulking tool. That's so prideful that can help us later. Corals has the tools, the caulking tools. So when we need them, Corals will bring them. He's got the causes for you. And all we have to say is those are Corals. So he'll get the tools. Alright Mario, we got our caulking tools. Let's go bring Baby Redbird back home to his mommy and daddy. So, let's go to the glove balloon. Whoa, we're in a glove balloon for the first time ever. I know, right, Mario? Yep. We're gonna bring the Baby Redbird home. Yep. But. Uh-oh, looks like Baby Redbird's hungry. I know, right, Mario? Yep. But we need a caulking tool. Everybody say, avocados, avocados, tweet, tweet, tweet. I hear the ha 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 ha. Okay, let's see. We got a pogo stick, a blanket, oh, blueberries, oh, and the mystery caulking tool. Do you think the pogo stick can help us? Nope, that won't work. I can see your hubcap. Tasty. Mario. How about we can try blueberries? Yes, let's try it. Alright, let's use blueberries to feed baby redbird. Excuse you. What a nice day. Alright, Carl? Yep. Free bluebirds! We need to go over those 3 blueberries upping birds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We made it! We passed over 3 bluebirds. There, that was close. Now let's go to the forest. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, looks like baby redbird's called. Oh, we need to keep him warm. Maybe there's a cockatool that can keep baby redbird warm. Everybody say, oh, cockatoos. Oh, cockatoos. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Woo, we got a poke stick, a blanket, and the mystery cockatool. I don't see how the poke stick that can help us, so let's try the blanket. The blanket could work. Let's give it a try. We got silent the baby redbird's so warm again. Thanks for helping get baby redbird warm again, everybody. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now let's go to the forest. Oh, great. Let's go to the forest. Do you see the forest? Yep, there it is. Let's land down there. We're at the forest. Oh, great. We're at the forest. But which one of these trees are baby redbirds? The left one, the middle one, or the right one? The one on the right? Yes. Come on, let's go down. But there's a cliff. It's too high to jump. I think we need a cockatool to help us. Everybody say, oh, cockatoos. Oh, cockatoos. All we got left are the poke stick and the mystery cockatool. I don't think the poke stick can help. I will fall down, sir. So let's pick the mystery cockatool. Everybody say mystery cockatool. Mystery cockatool. What is today's mystery cockatool? A slide. Right. Can a slide help? We sure can. We got sir. Come on, everyone. Slide down the slide with us. Whee! Tweet, tweet! Woohoo! We're in the forest. We're in baby redbird's tree. How can we find it? It's Mama Redbird. It's home. That's nice. I know, right, Mario? Yep. But excuse me, Carl. How could I kick the baby rabbit all the way up there? What about try our cockatools and see if they can help? Good, dear SMC. Everybody say, oh, cockatoos. Oh, cuddles. one of these cockatoos haven't picked yet. The pogo stick. Do you think the pogo stick can help Mario jump up and down all the way to Baby Rapper's home with his mommy and daddy? We sure can. After that, they'll be happy each other in no time. We picked all of our cockatoos. Say, Sonic Monocle Super Tools. Let me use a pogo stick. Bounce, 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 bounce. Woohoo! Woohoo! We got Big Rapper back home to his mommy. Now they're happy again. Yahoo! That was a fun time. Thank you for helping us get Baby Rapper back home to the forest with his mom and dad. And now they're happy each other. Aww, thanks. But anyways, we'll see ya real soon. Sonic Monocle Clubhouse over and out.